kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to another video series on Android app development using the Kotlin language. Okay guys, so in this video series I will be teaching you on how to create an application that uses the recycler view to display the images in just like the gallery, and then we will be able to swipe the images left and right using the view pager. So I will be making this video using the Kotlin language. So guys, let's get started. So guys, first of all we have to we will open our application, and here you guys can see that we're using the grid layout inside the recycler view. And if I open any image, and here you guys can see that I can swipe left or right to display all these images. All right, and we are fetching the images through online, and I will be teaching you on how we are going to do that. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. Alright guys, as you guys can see that I already have created this project, and here we have this main activity. And if I click on the main activity, first of all, here we will change the layout from the constant layout to relative layout, and then here we will be using the recycler view. And the width and height will be the match parent, and we will set the ID as recycler view. And then inside here this main activity file, here we will initialize it. So here we guys can see private let init variable recycler view. Alright, so here we will bind the view. So here we guys, you can see say recycler view equal to find view by id or id recycler view, and then we have to use the layout manager. So we will use the grid layout manager. So we guys can we can say like this, layout manager equal to grid layout manager, and inside this we have to pass on this current activity context, and then we have to pass on the attribute set spam count. So here we will be displaying two images in each row. So after that we are going to use the variable images equal to notable list of, and here we will be using so we will be storing the link of the images inside this immutable list. So here we guys can say for I in 0 until 12, and in here we are going to add the custom link of the images. So here we can say images dot add, we will be using a random number so that every time a new image will be shown. And finally we are going to use the adapter. So first of all we will create the adapter here. So let me create a new package, and in here we have to write the adapters, and here we will write the adapter of this class. So we will create a new Kotlin class, and here we will name it as gallery adapter. Alright, so guys, I think that is enough for this part 1 of this video series. So we will come back to join the part 2 of our video series. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye.